Alright, just to show you quick, this is how we're making the buttons for it. These are actually a snap set, but take these, put them in there like that, put on that little block. You got your tool here that goes right in the center, and now they're together. So now, if I can hold it, when we screw those in, we could put these right on to cover it, make it look nice. So that's how we do those. Alright, so we got all the panels done up in front. We're still probably gonna cover these. Wait, those haven't been done yet, but at least we can get the surround done now. So let's go ahead and get those in. Alright, and we'll put our two caps on. Alright, so first panel's in, looks good. Let's get these other ones in. All right, it is looking good. Oh yeah. All right, so it looks good. Looks really good. All right, let's continue getting the rest. Hey, turkey. All right, it's raining out right now, but all right, so stay tuned because we got a lot of upholstery videos coming up. They do take a lot of time, and I also got a ton of other projects and stuff going on here at the farm, as you guys know. So these videos do take a while to get out, but bear with us, and we'll try and get out as many as we can for you. And once again, we hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. All right, bye guys. In the rain. And the roosters are still going crazy, and turkeys. And this is months later. These things still look good. I'm gonna show you a close-up of the buttons on there. So I won't show you the rest of the boat because that's in upcoming videos, but be sure to check it out, and we'll see you guys. All right, bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf, we'll see you on the next one. All right, bye, Obo. Bye, guys.